Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit a drop-down list in Excel. So we have two examples here that we're going to cover. In this first example we have a drop-down box here. If we click the arrow we can see that we can select a abbreviated month. But what we'll notice is that December is missing. And if we go over to example 2 and hit the drop-down, we'll also notice that December is missing. So what we want to do is add December to both of these drop-down lists. Now I have two examples because depending on how the drop-down list is set up, the fix could be a little bit different. Now to re-edit a drop-down list, you need to select the cell or the range of cells that that drop-down list applies to. Select that cell, go up to the data ribbon, find this little icon, which is the data validation icon. Click on that. This little menu will pop up and it will show you that this is a list and it will give you your sources. Now this is why I have two examples, because this source could be manually typed in like this, or in the next example we'll cover, it will be referencing a range of cells. In this case, all we need to do is hit comma and then type the abbreviation for December. Go ahead and hit OK. And then if we go down to this drop-down list, we'll notice that December is then available. Now moving on to the second example. Here we'll click the cell where the data validation is, or where the drop-down list is, or the range of cells. Select that. Go back up to the data ribbon, go to the same spot, the data validation box will appear, and we'll notice that instead of the source being manually typed each month, it's referencing a group of cells. And it's showing that, hey, sheet 7, cells A1 through A11 are what are being referenced. And now what we can notice here is that for whoever set this up, or for whatever reason, this last cell is not being displayed. So all we need to do is delete this range, and then we'll just select the appropriate range here to include that month of December. We'll go ahead and hit OK, and then coming back to our example here, we can see that December is now available to select. And there you have it. That's how you can, those are kind of the two basic ways that you can fix a drop-down list that you want to add values to or you want to edit. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.